Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nani. So today I'm going to be showing you how I go from this nasty hair to a beautiful, elegant, sleek bun. So yeah, we're going to get into it. This is like the second voiceover I've done on my channel, so we'll see how this goes. I hate it already. Anyways, so this is my hair. We all know how it be after a few days. Don't know why I did that, but as you can see, I realized how stupid I look. Anyways, I take my paddle brush first and I just brush on my hair because I don't like to work while my hair is tangled. I used to be a very tender-headed child, so you can imagine the trauma and just the pain. But I've endured it and I've grown from it, so yeah. But that's how my hair looks, gets big and fluffy. Moving on, we're going to take my rat tail comb, and I was deciding which side to do, but I usually just do the right side, so I went with the right side. And how I part my hair, I don't part it like straight, I part it with a curve, so as you can see, I angle the point to like a C curve, so you can see it's like more curved than straight. I don't know, I just like that look. It gives more of a professional, elegant secretary, boss woman, I don't know, but yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. So next I take my water spray bottle, and it has conditioner in it, that's why you see a little bit of residue. Trust me, my hair is not nasty or full of buildup. Okay, I'm actually doing a hair mask right now, so I'm gonna wash my hair today. But then I take my brush and I just brush my hair down, making sure it's nice and sleek. Well, it's not gonna be nice and sleek yet, but next I grab my gel. This is the Softy Super Freeze gel, and I just take a little bit and I run that along the part of my hair. If that makes sense, I don't know. I'm not really good with voiceovers. But then I grab some and I just slap it on my hair, grab some more water, spray, and then I take my powder brush and I just run it through the top of my head just so that I make sure I don't have no knots and that everything will be nice and flat. Because I don't like when my buns are like all puffed up. That just doesn't look right to me. I like to make sure they are flat and sleek down, literally. So then I go back in with my brush and I just get everything nice and flattened. And the brushing is usually the part that takes the longest. I'm a huge perfectionist, so I really have to make sure everything is to my liking, or I will literally just give up and cry. So now I'm taking my scrunchie and I'm just putting my hair into a not very tight but not very loose ponytail, and we're gonna work on the front part. Okay, so I'm adding some more water just so everything is nice and saturated. Take some more gel, slap it on. Okay, we don't just put it on, we slap it on. Then I take my brush and I just start kind of molding where I want it to be, and then I decided to be a little extra and take out the sideburns so I can coil them and it'll be like a nice little extra piece of, I don't know, hair. But yeah, I'm gonna like fast forward this part though because I kind of struggle with it and you'll see what I mean. So yeah. Okay, now that I got them nice and even, we're going to clip the back of my hair up. I don't usually do this, but it was getting in the way, so I just decided to do it. So I take some water, just spray it so that way it's not dry. Like my, okay, anyways. So I just spray it with the conditioned water. Then I get some leave-in conditioner. I don't get too much, just a little dab. You see that little dab? And I split it, and I just run it through those sideburns. I'm sorry, this is just a whole mess, but we're getting through it. We're getting through it. Anyways, I think I grabbed gel. I don't know, but yeah, I grabbed gel and I just put some in my hair. Then I just brush it down with the edge brush that I have, and I just coil my hair. I coil my hair clockwise, and then I like kind of scrunch it so that way it forms the curl. It's not curling now, but trust me, you'll see. As time passes, it's gonna coil. And I just do the same thing to the other side. Brush it down, coil it. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay? Okay. Ooh, y'all see that? Look, look, look. See, told you, told you. But it's gonna get better, it's gonna get better. But moving on. We're gonna get my favorite gel, monkey snot, or moco de 𝘠𝘵𝘺 in Spanish. And we're going to put some, well, so basically I put some in my hand, add some water to it so that way it's not super sticky, apply it to my hair, and this is where I get to molding the bang, or the swoop bang. I mean, I just brushed down my hair, but we're gonna see I get into the part of the swoop bang soon. And honestly, I know I said the brushing takes longest, but just getting that in place took like the longest for me. Like literally. And yes, I messed up the coil part, but we're gonna fix it. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. Okay? It's not the end. I swear it's not. Don't leave, okay? It's gonna get better, I promise. But here's perfectionist me, brushing and brushing any day now. Brush, brush, brush. It was this one part in the back of my head that was getting on my nerves. That's why I kept brushing it, because it didn't look flat. But yeah, that's perfectionist me. Any day now. Alright, now that we finished, I'm taking 2 elastics, and I not did it twice nor 3 times. I wrapped my hair 4 times because I need it to stay in place like all day. Okay, all day. So yeah, you have to have good strength for that, by the way. Now we're moving to the baying. Okay, I get some more gel and the moco de 𝘠𝘵𝘺. See, I tried to talk in Spanish, it didn't work. Yeah, and here's the time-consuming part, and I'm gonna fast forward it soon, but it literally took so long. I usually use the edge brush, but I did like transition from the edge brush to my regular brush, but this took me about like 5 minutes, or like maybe 7, I don't know. But I didn't even stop there. You'll see throughout the video I continue to go and refix it. Why, I don't know, but yeah. And then I go back and fix the coil parts because they were looking a little messy, and I realized I didn't add the gorilla snot on it. That's what usually have it looking flawless, but see, looking better. Now we're moving on to the edges. My favorite part. Okay, so I'm taking some of the gorilla snot, slapping it on, putting water. That looked nasty. I swear it was just a conditioner, okay? But now we're doing the edges, and I can do a separate video on my edges, but literally all I do, add some glue and hold my finger down and just guide the comb part of my edge brush back. So I just like swoop. Yeah, we swoop. Yeah, swoop, swoop, swoop. That's basically all I do. I just swoop, swoopity swoop, 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 swoopity doo doo. Okay, I'm getting annoying. Anyways, that's basically all I do. That's basically it. And my edges didn't take that long to do. Usually doing my hair from like just the start to the edges takes the longest, but it didn't take that long for me. So yeah, but I'm just doing a little bit of touch up, making sure they're nice and perfect, and they are. Look at them, slayed. And here's me being a perfectionist and fixing it when nothing was wrong with it. Why did I do that? Anyways, moving on to the bun. I take my ponytail and I just brush it out, comb it out, nothing really to it, and I basically just wrap it. Well, no, first I forgot the word, but you know what, you see what I'm doing. And I just wrap it around, grab my elastic, and just tighten it. And I grabbed another elastic because I realized that it didn't look up to par for me. Did that, and I ended up messing it up again, so that's fun. But luckily I had a rubber band, so I just used that. And yeah, look at it. Look! Oh my gosh, slaying! And then here we go. Perfectionist me doing it again. Why? Nothing was wrong with it. Oh my gosh. This girl, oh gosh. What mercy. Moving on. I take my head wrap thingy and I basically I just tie it so that it's not like all long, and I just wrap it around my hair. Not too tight because you can mess up the edges like that. Okay, I've learned my lesson. And yeah, that's basically it. I wait like 5 minutes, take a little dance break. You'll see. Dance break, yep. And here are the results. Look at her slaying. But yeah, that's basically it. That's the whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.